We must put light in those sad eyes. We all must right this wrong. Respect and love and hope must rise. Our resolve must be strong to break this cycle of abuse. We must replace the hate with our commitment to diffuse before it is too late.
One day, one day, one day, one day.
I am pleading to everyone in Jamaica to recognize that you have a role to play in highlighting our children in the month of May and highlighting the crisis that they face.
Among the many actions to be taken, our children should be taught from early the importance of making wise choices necessary to protect themselves from becoming prey to the numerous abuses that faces them on a daily basis. This awareness will also assist them in their time of trauma and need. It is our intention also as a committee to help individuals to recognize that breaking the chains of abuse that shackles the mind and bodies of its victims is the responsibility of everyone. It is therefore necessary that both homes and schools embark on a program that will teach our children how to identify a potential abuse, what action should be taken on their part, and the value of reporting. Parents should take an active interest in their children by listening to them and teaching them to be assertive in order to protect themselves.
To help drive home that message, a number of initiatives will be undertaken in the month of May. On May 1, local child care and protection agency, the Office of the Children's Registry, will launch its partnership with Facebook under its Ananda Alert system.
When an Ananda Alert is issued for certain categories of children who go missing, then it will be set not only on our local traditional circles, but using Facebook, it will share with all Facebook Jamaica users right here at home.
On May 7, there'll be a church service at Fellowship Tabernacle in Kingston. National Children's Day will be celebrated on May 19 with the National Child Month Committee setting up stations at the Halfway Tree Transport Centre and St. William Grant Park.
We want on that day for adults to really understand that your role in that day is to let your children, Jamaica's children, every child feel special, and also to wear something yellow.
And on May 31, there'll be a National Day of Prayer to be held right across the island, with the main service being held at the Bethel Baptist Church on Hope Road.
We at the Safe School Unit at the Community Safety and Security Branch will be embarking on a month-long island-wide school tour promoting motivation and development for our nation's children.
Several anger management workshops will also be undertaken to help children deal with conflicts. Sponsors for this year's staging of Child Month include Grace Kennedy Limited, National Baking Company, General Accident Insurance Company, and Kingston Bookshop. But there's still room for greater support.
We're appealing for sponsorship from just about public, private sector individuals. If you're out there and you really want to do something for Jamaica's children, this would be a good opportunity.
In addition to donating another $500,000 to this year's initiatives, the National Baking Company Foundation has set aside $4 million for a program geared at breaking the cycle of abuse and the risk factors associated with child maltreatment. The money will partially sponsor the 2-year program that seeks to, among other things, increase parent-child attachment, lower conflict, and increase parent knowledge on child development.
Late intervention is costly to the nation as Jamaica spends money and resources trying to address social problems such as crime and antisocial behavior, substance abuse, youth inactivity, violence in schools, and child protection.
Remember,
every child is born into the world filled with immeasurable potential. And as a nation, we must ensure that all our children have the support they need to realize that potential. Regardless of where they're from, regardless of their circumstances, every child deserves to be cared for, to be cherished, and more importantly, to be kept safe.
One day.